In the shadow of the Rocky Mountains on the high plains of the Palmer Divide is a stunning oasis waiting for you. Welcome to 2585 Rustlers Canyon Loop.
Hi, I'm Andrea Richardson with Osgood Team Real Estate, and I am pleased to present to you a beautiful custom home built right here on 35 gorgeous Frontierland Colorado acres in Elizabeth, Colorado. Let's go take the tour.
Inside the dramatic front door is the dining room opposite from the large and airy office. There's plenty of room for formal gatherings with friends and family. Pass by the large living room to the jaw-dropping gourmet kitchen. Every detail was meticulously planned. There's a double island so everyone can gather around. Buffed live-edge granite counters, beverage fridge, mosaic tile backsplash, and soft-closed drawers and cabinets. Feel like a gourmet chef with the double stoves and ovens. And the walk-in pantry with a coffee bar gives you everything you need at your fingertips. And don't worry about cold storage. You'll wonder how you ever lived without double fridges. The sink in the island gives you a stunning view of the open concept space. This breakfast nook lets you enjoy the Colorado sunrise overlooking the hidden gulch. Step out onto the grand balcony and bring the outdoors in for dining or just relaxing in the fresh air. With protection on 3 sides, you can enjoy this space nearly year-round. Watch the little ones play, chickens run around, or let your landscaping imagination run wild. These sliding glass doors stack open to give extra access to the covered balcony. A bonus room here could be great for an office or workout space. The bathroom matches the kitchen finishes and includes a stunning stone shower. Here's access to upstairs and the unfinished basement. Loop behind the fireplace back towards the front door. This home is meticulously maintained and pride of ownership shines through. Distressed vinyl plank flooring throughout is stunning and low maintenance. Can't you just see yourself relaxing by the beautiful gas fireplace? Retreat upstairs where there's a bed and full bath to the right. The hall is extra wide and notice the continuation of the stunning flooring. This bedroom here has the coolest feature. A loft. That concept continues out the door so everyone can climb the ladder and play together. A large bathroom with dual vanity and separate commode make it handy to share. Isn't this open space so versatile? How would you use it? Games, movies, reading nook? The possibilities are endless. Down the hall a little is another large bedroom. Don't worry about toting laundry up and down the stairs. Here's a gigantic laundry room with utility sink and cabinets, adjacent to yet another bedroom with a full bath. Then step through the 8-foot double doors to the primary suite. Light floods the space through the windows and the sliding glass door that leads out to your private balcony with views on all sides. A chandelier hangs over the bed. Tucked back here might be the most convenient private office with built-in cabinets. With more than 5,000 finished square feet, you'll love waking up to this home every day. And if that's not enough, there's even a full unfinished basement just waiting for your creative ideas. This ensuite is something to behold. 2 vanities, 2 step-in showers that are connected, and this heavenly freestanding tub. Floor-to-ceiling custom tile will let you melt away in what feels like your own private spa. And closet space is second to none. The built-ins offer all the storage, hanging space, and shelving you could need, and the wardrobe island provides convenient access to valuables. Just when you think you've seen it all, step across the bridge to the mother-in-law suite. There's a private entrance from the garage up a back stairwell. There's a complete kitchen with full-size appliances, a large island, and slab counters. Here's the full bathroom with great tile. There's even a laundry room fit for a stackable washer-dryer. The large bedroom has wonderful views. Whether it's family or guests visiting, they'll love this private and cozy space. As part of the 35 acres is this amazing rock formation canyon. Watch the antelope and deer literally play in your backyard. Hear the birds and watch them soar. Explore the geology and native botany right out back on your own property.
This home and property is fantastic. It is second to none, and I tell you, it is something that you actually have to see for yourself. Call me today for your own private showing, and thank you so much for watching.